Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing NewJeans Haerin as a Powerpuff Girl. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head with a large sideways oval. Now let's move inside and let's draw the hair. Let's start in the center and let's draw two curves down. Then let's bring it out from both ends. Then another curved V shape up on both sides. And then let's continue it out to close off the bangs. Next, let's move underneath and let's add the eyes. Let's start under the hair and let's draw a diagonal line down towards the center. And the same thing on the other side. And then from the end, let's curve it back outwards like this. Next, from the top, let's draw a U-shaped curve. And the same thing in the right eye. And then another curve inside at the top. And now let's color both of the rings in black. Next, inside each eye, let's add one more curve towards the outside here like this. And then lastly, for the eyes, let's add an eyelash on the top corner. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's start in between the eyes and let's draw a curve across. And then another curve underneath to close it off. And that's it for the face. Next, let's move up to the top and let's draw the cat ears. Let's start on the top left and let's draw two curves coming down like this. And the same thing on the right. Next, inside, let's draw a border in the same way. And now inside, let's add some stripes. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's add the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw two angled lines down. And then a line across the bottom. Next, inside, let's draw two lines towards the top. And then color the stripe in black. Now let's hop to the sides and let's add the arms. Let's start with a curve down and then curve it back in. And the same on the right. Now let's move down and let's add the legs. We'll start with a line down the center. And the same thing on the left. And on the right. And now let's close off the bottom of each foot with a curve. Next, let's move inside and let's draw the shoes. Let's start with a line across the bottom of each leg. And then add a U-shaped curve underneath in the center. And then color both of the shoes in black. And that's it for the body. Now let's move behind and finish drawing the hair. Let's start underneath the hair on the left and let's draw a curved line down and out. And let's do the same thing on the right. Now from the end, let's bring it in. Then another curved point up and down on both sides. And then another set of curves back in to finish off the hair. And that's it for Powerpuff Girl Haerin. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!